Hey everyone, welcome to the Acres of Timber CRM. Today we are going to talk about calendars and how to integrate an existing calendar from Google if that's what you want to do. So all you need to do is head to your trusted settings menu here, and then we're actually going to go to calendars. And so here you can make a new calendar within the CRM. You have a lot of great options. You can set things up for availability and confirmations, and you can do color coding. But if you already have a calendar that you want to link and you don't see it appearing here, that likely means that you need to integrate it. So even here you can see you can integrate Google, Clio, Dr. Chrono, etc. So if we want to integrate a calendar, we can stay in our settings menu here, and we're actually just going to go to integrations. And so under the integrations, you see we don't have a Google account connected. So if you were to go in there and connect your Google account, or if you're using Clio, you could connect your Clio account. Then once we return to the calendar drop-down menu and go new calendar, you will be able to see that under link to calendar here, and then you just hit save and continue.